All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to the IELTS listening course by Go Inter Academy. In this video, we're moving on to Section 2, which is a bit more challenging than Section 1. This part usually features a guided tour or an informational talk. We'll need to label maps, complete tables, and listen for specific details. I'll help you predict what type of words to expect, avoid common traps, and stay one step ahead of the audio. So let's get started. Now, let's take a look at questions 11 and 12. This is a classic map labeling task. You're given 4 stops on a scenic river tour. Stop A, Stop B, Stop C, and Stop D. 2 of them are already labeled for you. And your job is to figure out the names of the other 2. Stop B and Stop D. So just like before, don't jump straight into listening. Instead of doing that, we should train our mind to predict. What kind of word is coming? How will it be said? And in what order? Let's take a look. For stop B, we're looking for a place name. The answer will likely be a proper noun, the name of a specific stop. In map sections, IELTS often gives answers in order. So if stop A is Green Shore and stop C is Roman Key, then the answer for stop B will be mentioned right after stop A. So let's listen to this line from the speaker together.
Thank you for calling the city's Tourist Information Service. One of the best ways to explore our city is by boat, and our river route has 4 main stops. If you begin your journey from the western side, the first stop you'll come to is Green Shores. It's a quiet, leafy area that many locals use for walking or picnics. Further along, you'll reach the second stop. This one is right beside the city's famous crossing, so you'll find it marked on the map as River Bridge.
So there it is. Stop B is called River Bridge. Moving on to question 12, which asks us the name of stop D. We'll apply the same strategy here. We already know that stop D is the last one mentioned in the list. So let's listen to the audio again.
The boat then continues east, and the third stop is Roman Key. This area is especially popular with history lovers, since you can still see evidence of the old harbour that dates back to ancient times. And the final stop, right at the far end of the route, is High Point. As the name suggests, it's the best place to enjoy sweeping views of the entire river and the city skyline.
So the answer for stop D is High Point. Now we go on to the next questions. Questions 13 to 17. In this part of Section 2, you complete a table about each stop on the scenic river tour. Before the audio even starts, I want to show you how to think like a high-scoring IELTS student. What kind of word fits here? Is it a noun, an adjective, a number, or a short phrase? Let's take a look at question 13 and predict the type of answer. We already have the adjective historic before the blank. So we know the answer must be a noun, something that can be historic. Let's listen.
Whether you travel the full route or get off at just 1 or 2 stops, the river tour is a great way to see the city from a different angle. You can find the main booking office at Stop A. The first boat departs at 8 a.m., with the last departure at 6:30 p.m. There are plenty of places to visit along the way. If you start at Stop A, you'll find a historic palace, originally built in the 16th century. It's famous for its well-kept formal gardens, perfect for a relaxing stroll.
So that's our answer. Palace. Let's take a look at question 14. We see the word cafe is already provided. So we're missing a word that tells us which cafe, probably a name. Let's listen.
At Stop B, we highly recommend Harbour View Cafe, known for its wide variety of drinks and snacks.
The name of the cafe is Harbor View. Let's take a look at question 15. This one starts with the verb offers, followed by the blank, then of city skyline. So we need a noun that fits in offers blank of city skyline. Let's listen.
From here, you'll get stunning views of the city's commercial and financial district.
The correct word is views, with an S. So the answer to question 15 is views. Let's move on to question 16. We're told the bookshop specializes in something. So we expect a noun, probably a topic or subject. Let's listen for what type of books are sold.
Moving along, Stop C is a significant historical site where Roman soldiers once crossed the river during ancient battles. The interactive museum here has a special bookshop offering a great selection of local history books.
According to the audio, the shop offers a great selection of local history books. So the answer to question 16 is local history books. Let's now take a look at question 17. We already know the word cinema is a noun, so the blank needs to be either a number or an adjective that describes the cinema. Let's listen to how it's described in the audio.
Finally, at Stop D, you'll find a newly opened leisure centre featuring a 7-screen cinema, a bowling alley, and a video game arcade. An excellent destination for entertainment lovers.
The speaker says, a 7-screen cinema, bowling alley, and video game arcade. So the answer to question 17 is 7-screen. Let's take a look at the final 3 questions in section 2, question 18 to 20. So these are short answer questions which test your ability to listen for specific information. Just like before, don't listen blindly. Predict what kind of words you need before the recording begins. Let's start with question 18. Question 18 asks us, how frequently do top bus company tours operate? So the key word here is how frequently. This tells us immediately that the answer will be about time or repetition. So let's listen to what the speaker says.
In addition to the boat tour, we also provide information about the city's bus services. The top bus company runs sightseeing tours every 30 minutes, starting at 8:30 a.m. and covering key landmarks.
So the correct answer is every 30 minutes. Make sure you write the full phrase. If you write just 30 minutes, it's not complete and you will lose the mark. Going to question 19, where do number 1 sightseeing tours start? So this time you're being asked to name a location, so the answer will likely be a place name, most likely a proper noun. So let's listen.
These buses depart from Central Station every 5 to 6 minutes in the morning, with the final tour leaving around 7 p.m.
So the answer is clear. Central Station. Going to the last question. What is the phone number for the top bus company? We know that the answer we're looking for here is a number. So let's listen together.
For more details, feel free to call the top bus company at 0208 944 7810. You can also look at our website, which is www.topbuscompany.com.
Very straightforward. The phone number is 02-089-447-810. And that's a wrap for section 2. As you've seen, this part requires sharp focus and smart prediction. In the next video, we'll look at section 3, where the conversations get more academic and the vocabulary becomes more difficult. I'll show you how to manage that step by step, just like in this video. See you in the next one.